Is your mind not allowing you to concentrate? Well, you can easily guide it to release so that you can focus on the task at hand. Take a little 15-minute break as you are doing work to do a little bit of rewire. So no need to stop. Just play this track, and as you are working, you're going to rewire your thoughts so that you can focus on the rest of the day. And utilize our mind to do a little rewire. Let your mind wander to where it wishes. Is it wandering to a place of calmness, or is it going elsewhere? Either way, don't redirect it. Let it go where it wishes to wander. Calmly allow it to do that. Take in a deep breath and let it out. Now, where has your mind wandered? If it's to a place of calmness, or if it's a place that is not so calm, you're going to listen to the rest of the music and direct your brain. If it was a place of calmness, feel it more. If it was not a place of calmness, direct your brain. This music will release it. Take advantage of your brain's ability at this moment to listen to what you tell it. Again, let your mind wander. Where does it want to go? Let it lead you, as if showing you, not dragging you. Now take a deep breath and tell it to halt and let it out. Now once again, let it wander. Give it its lead. Let it talk to you and tell you what it wants to say. Now take a deep breath, let it out, and let your brain know it's time to listen to the music to either enhance calmness or to let go of anything else that is the opposite of calmness. You're doing great staying on task while you're doing a little bit of rewire for your brain. One last time, just let your brain wander. Where is it going? What is it thinking about? You're going to help your brain to know when it is focused on work, that it can release anything that is interfering with what your goal is for the day. So take a deep breath in, let it out. Where is your mind wandering? Let it lead you there so that you can gently release it, so the rest of the day can be as productive as you want it to be. Isn't that amazing? My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. I am here to guide you anytime you can't focus. Just remember, give your brain just a little bit of attention and it will then do exactly what you want it to do for the rest of the day. I'm here to guide you anytime you need.